Introducing ETS-RT 08A, a high-performance RFID BIB tag from Ucode Track Systems, designed for fast-paced marathon and race events. Engineered for accuracy, it reads tags instantly even at high speeds, perfect for real-time participant tracking during races. Built on ISO 18000-6C protocol with Alien Higgs 9, Monza or Ucode chips, it's fully compatible with EPC Gen1 readers. Its four-layer structure includes coated paper, foam, RFID, inlay and adhesive, making it durable, weather-resistant and easy to apply on bibs. Write and erase up to 1,000 times with 10-year data retention, and customize with logos, numbers or event branding. Used in marathons, triathlons, bike races, biathlons and sports meets. This tag ensures every millisecond is counted accurately. For precision timing in sporting events, choose ETS-RT 08A from Ucode Track Systems. RFID that wins every race.